Oh my god, I do not look good right now. Hey guys, my name's Sarah and today you're going to get ready with me to go to the aquarium. I'm excited. Okay, so I just filmed an intro and my camera turned off. So I used this and I'm not sure if I got it on film, but this is my primer and this is what I started with. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. Just gonna pour this onto my brush. Now that I look like an Oompa Loompa, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer and use this on the spots that need a little bit of help. I gotta close this or else that will be a disaster. Okay, now I'm going to take this flat foundation brush and blend it all out. Ew. I had to blend that a lot because my foundation is a little bit dark. I'm going to set all of that with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. You should see how much of a mess my room is right now. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm in Fair Light number 10. This powder is a mess. So now I'm going to bronze my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm not going to use too much of this because my foundation is so dark. Now I'm going to use my Goof Proof Brow Pencil to fill in my non-existent eyebrows. We're going to use our Morphe palette. So I realized I don't have any blues or greens or anything, which is kind of the color scheme I wanted to go for. I'm going to go in with Penne, this one. So this is more orange than I thought. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm pretty sure it's called Sand Dollar. Yep, Sand Dollar. I'm going to put it on my top and inside my crease. We don't want to be orange. Andrew just got here and I'm not done with my makeup yet. Okay, so Andrew just showed up and I'm not done with my makeup, but like I'm just gonna still roll with it. This is so annoying that like the names are on the palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Afterlife, and I know it because I have this little cheat sheet here. And going on here. Also gonna put this in my crease. My dad's teaching Andrew how to play the guitar right now. I'm just gonna brush out any fallout. Okay, thank you. Now we're going to use our Anastasia Glow Kit in Moonchild, and we're gonna put it on the inner corners and underneath our brow. I'm gonna use blue ice. Just gonna apply it with my finger. I love putting highlighter on the bridge of my nose. We're gonna curl eyelashes. And then I'm going to use my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. My favorite mascara ever. Shout out to anyone else who makes these awful faces while they're doing their eyes. We're almost done. So now I'm just going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics Charm Velvet Lipstick. Alright, done and ready to go. Where are your clothes from?
I got this sweatshirt at a bookstore. Got these pants under a Christmas tree. I got my shoes from the outlet.
Nice.
Yeah, I think that's about it. I have a shirt from Turks and Caicos on.
My jacket's from the North Face. My necklace is from Andrew. My sweatshirt is Diamond Supply. My pants are from Brindy, and my shoes are Adidas. Okay, now I'm vlogging in a parking garage. It's really, really cold.
Our girls were either raised in human care or rescued, rehabilitated, and not able to be released back into nature. And that's how they ended up here. So many people get our seals confused with sea lions. I'm just going to point out a few differences between our seals and sea lions do have an external inner flap, as Sam's pointing out right here on the board.
What do fish need to stay healthy? Vitamin C. Why don't fish like basketball? Because they're afraid of the net. I'm still kind of sad because like they're in captivity.
Yeah, but they might help out hurt ones, get hurt ones, bring them back to healthy.
I hope so. I hope they're good to them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this vlog and my makeup routine. It would mean the world to me if you like this video and click that subscribe button. See you next time.